This is my laser sailing dinghy. It's over 40 years old. Recently, it started leaking quite badly. Underneath, we can see quite a lot of scratches from being dragged around. There's also this hole next to the centreboard, which is where the water's getting in. First of all, I sanded the hull and used a small wire brush to get any dirt out of those scratches. This took several hours and it was getting dark before I finished. Next, I applied a thick layer of paint to fill in those scratches. Once I'd finished, the boat looked like a piece of modern art. After sanding it again, my scratches are now blue, and it feels smooth when I run my fingers over them. Remember that hole from earlier? Well, that's been cleaned out and filled with epoxy resin. To give some additional strength in this area, I'm adding some fiberglass tape. Sorry my hands are in the way. You'll see what I'm doing in just a moment. With a small amount of resin on the hull, I'm laying the fiberglass strip where I want it, and then flattening it down. Brush some more resin over the top until the tape becomes saturated and clear. Once it had fully dried, I sanded off the edges of the tape to make it smooth. Now the fun part, painting. I'm using top black marine paint, which doesn't need any additional coats. It's finished and looking so much better than it was before.